My name is Hubert Schwarz, and I am responsible for processing and process development at Schaufler. This entails all processing of NF materials as well as the development of these processes. At Schaufler, we focus on NF and FE scraps. For NE, our emphasis lies on composites of aluminum, copper, lead, tin, and zinc. Our efforts with regard to development and our search for new shredding solutions are driven by the fact that the demands of our clients, mostly smelting works and foundries, are becoming tougher all the time. They want higher quality and greater purity. We have worked successfully with UNTHA before. An example would be the purchase of an XR in recent years. Regarding our decision to purchase the ZR, we tested several kinds of these pre-shredding units from different manufacturers on site, focused on two areas in particular. The first one was cleaning. When it comes to NF scrap, ease of cleaning is a big factor. The second aspect was low energy consumption. For example, the specific energy input in kilowatt hours per ton. We set up a series of tests with 4 units and finally opted for the ZR because of its superior performance in these areas. The most important advantages that we see with the ZR in our operations are these 3. First, versatility. For example, the fact that the unit can shred both large, coarse NF metals and composites. Secondly, cleaning the unit is fast, easy, and efficient, which is important due to the fact that we shred different materials. Thirdly, the specific energy input, that is, the energy input in kilowatt hours per ton, is very low. The energy values we achieved were truly surprising. Compared to other manufacturers, we are achieving an annual energy cost saving of roughly €70,000 by using the ZR. For me, as a process engineer who is responsible for our processing aggregates and facilities, what stands out in the cooperation of UNTHA is the solution-oriented approach when it comes to technical issues. The fact that decisions are taken quickly and that the service team is available at short notice. At the end of the day, this ensures our plant availability and keeps our processing operations running seamlessly. We have already put UNTHA to the test in all these respects, and we're extremely happy with the results.